Hi, I'm John Aldred for DIYPhotography.net. We're here at the Litra stand at NAB 2019. We're going to check out the Litra Pro and the new Litra Torch 2.0. Tell us about the new Litra Torch 2.0.
Right on. We're back with the new Litra Torch 2.0 after 3 years of having the Litra Torch on the market. We took the optic lens, we call precision optics, from our Litra Pro, added it to the torch. That gave us less glare, brought the beam angle to 70 degrees instead of 80 to get a little more punch, brought the CRI from 78 to 94, so much better color balance, and then we doubled the waterproof rating from 30 feet or 10 meters to 60 feet or 20 meters. Then we kept the features that made the Litra Torch so successful, or in the 2.0, quarter 20 mount on the bottom, quarter 20 mount on the back, magnet on the back so you can stick it up. Any metal surface, this also works when you're filming, just stick it up, or you can put those plates on any non-metallic surface. This light, the output is 100 lumen on low, which will run for 4 hours, 450 lumen on medium, which will run for an hour and 10 minutes, 800 lumen on high, which will run for 40 minutes. So that is the Litra Torch. This can fit, it comes with a shoe mount to go on a camera, comes with a GoPro mount, comes with a clip that goes in the back so you can clip it on your bag, the charging cord, a diffuser dome so that you can soften the light output. What do you shoot with? And then we have accessories like color filters that can go on the front. So Roscoe tungstens to warm it up, or colors as well.
And the accessories are all exactly the same as the original Litra?
The housing's the same. So if you have a Litra Torch original light, all the accessories you'd have will work with the Torch 2.0.
Brilliant, brilliant. So what other modifiers are available for this then? You said you've got gels.
So the color filter set includes color filters as well as Roscoe gels. Then we have a handle, a tripod, a smartphone mount, a ball mount. It comes with a basic shoe mount. We have a ball mount so you can adjust or use this bounce light. And a double mount so you mount 2 of them, or one and a GoPro or point of view camera. A triple mount so you do 2 lights in a camera, which is typically used underwater to get more light. So that is really the accessories available for this. And then the quarter 20 means you can mount it on anything. So I don't know if you can see behind us, but on our banners we got some gooseneck clamps, so we're using our own lights to light our banners. And we're also showing that you can run them continuous. So those are powered to the wall and they're running all day off wall power.
Brilliant, brilliant. And these are available now?
These are available now globally.
Great, and what do these cost?
The US retail is $89.95.
Right, brilliant, brilliant. So let's talk about the Litra Pro now.
So from the Litra Torch, which is a one-button operation, the Litra Pro has a whole lot of more features I'm really excited to show you. The one I like the most is the OLED display on top. So you get to know what this light is doing. This light is adjustable in 5% increments. 5% light output is 60 lumen. So you have a lower light setting than the Torch, which some people wanted a lower light setting. You can adjust in 5% increments, or if you run through this might be too bright for the camera, but I'm going to run up to 100 for a second. That's 1,200 lumen. I'm going to bump it back down so that it's not overpowering the camera. We go to 50%, which is 600 lumen, which will run for 5 hours at that level. And right now, I'm going to go to, see my skin tone, quite warm, 3000K. Every press is 100, so you have incremental adjustment. And we'll zip all the way through now to 6000, so you can go to very, very cool light. Bump it back to daylight. CRI on this light is 95, so the color balance is fantastic. And then there's some accessories. So we're calling this light a studio light in your pocket. So there are accessories to this light, like our softbox, which breaks down flat to be very portable. But you snap this on the front of the light. We're going to light ourselves here in the video and show that very soft, even light, really great for portrait, video, or macro photography. We also have, you can do the tungsten range with this light. We have color filters, so if you want to do color effect, now we're blue. We also have barn doors to shape the light, which also work with the color filters. And we have a honeycomb grid.
Yeah, it has an expiration date on it.
And what degree is the grid?
15 degrees.
15 degrees.
So 15 degree honeycomb grid. So the light comes with a basic soft diffuser like the Litra Torch 2.0. And then it also comes with a charging cord and a bag, and the GoPro mount and the camera mount. And then those other accessories are separate. So the softbox, barn doors, honeycomb, and the color filters are separate accessories that you can choose to add as you need.
And this one's waterproof like the Torch as well, isn't it?
It's actually waterproof deeper than the Torch.
Is it deeper than the Torch too?
Yes, this will go 30 meters or 90 feet.
Yeah.
So This one has a trap door that allows it to go deeper. So this is actually the charging port, and that's where you charge it micro USB.
Brilliant, brilliant. And these are also available now?
These are available now.
And these are?
The US retail price is $219.95.
$219.95. Brilliant, brilliant.
You can see it on Litra.com, and on Litra.com we list our distributors and our retail partners. You can also buy it from our website if you don't have a dealer in your local area.
Brilliant, and these are available all over the world?
All over the world.
All over. Brilliant. All right, so one of the features that I've been hearing a lot about with the Litra Pro is that it has built-in Bluetooth and remote control. So why don't you tell us a bit about that?
We developed an app. It's available on the iPhone and for the Android. You just download the app, it's free. Then you put it in search mode, it'll find your light. Once you find your light, you have the control we were talking about with the light right here. So right now I'm connected to the light that's underwater behind me. And I can turn that up just by pushing the slider here, put it to my settings, and then if I get it set where I want it, I can hit blackout, turn it off. It's going to store my settings, so if I take my break, I'm setting up other things or going on a lunch break, I can come back and just turn the light back on, right back to where it was. Those settings will read on the screen on top of the light, they'll match, and you can either pull by slider or single touch, do the 5% at a time or 100K at a time. You can control up to 7 lights on this separately. You can put them in a single group, or you can do 3 groups. So you can do a front, mid, rear, and have your settings and then control them off from your phone. And one feature I think is really important is that it shows the battery indicator. So if you have these up on a light stand where they're not easy to get to, you can know, okay, I have enough battery life.
Especially if you've got 7 of them going, it's nice to be able to see them all in one place.
See all your settings and really easy to do.
Yeah, brilliant.
So you can set your preferences and save them that way too. You don't have to use the app for the people that are don't want to be that technical. You have full control from the top of the light, so it's not required, but it is a nice feature for those that want to do it.
Yeah, very, very. Well, thank you very much, Andrew.
Thank you so much for coming by Litra.
No problem. I'm John Aldrin for DIYPhotography.net. We're going to keep looking around. Check the link in the description below. We're giving away $8,500 worth of cinema goodies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.